And now I'm here. I walk the red carpet at the Mobos.
Welcome to Owen Allen Media. Vybz Kartel was rightfully honored at the Mobo Awards, and I just have to say this was a night of true recognition for the king of dancehall himself. The Mobos did what the Grammy should have done a long time ago. It was a moment that felt historic. I mean, it is, and this moment solidified Vybz Kartel legacy in a way that cannot be erased. Vybz Kartel took the stage and performed at the Mobo Awards, giving us an unforgettable Mobo performance. Now, seeing Vybz Kartel perform his goal-selling hit Fever and the timeless anthem everybody know, Clarks, in front of a massive UK audience was a special moment. John, with the energy, the love, the crowd, you can see the crowd moving. Kartel is a movement himself. Check out the performance.
My love is very special. If you want it, you can have it. Be for granted. So much, that's in pain.
Tick tock, broke it, set it. So hot, somehow you got. When it's sweet, yo, what you say? Wind up your body, hey. Wine for me, baby, everything crisp. My good love make you one more time.
Wish color that, I do no party. You alone have that style, the daddy.
The thing for England.
Love of yardy,
Real bad man, no muggle in a shot. Straight jeans, cut off footpath.
Everybody have the arms when me get my clocks.
Everybody have the arms when me get my clocks. Toothbrush, get out the dust fast.
Everybody have the arms when me get my clocks. Everybody have the arms when me get my clocks.
Clocks me prefer. Clocks in the summer clock. Pull up! Mobo was laughing up. What the sound that the nose? Wow. Hold on. Mobo, how you feeling?
And then to make the night even more special, right, after years of influence, dedication, and global impact, the world finally get to see Vybz Kartel receive the respect he truly deserved. The award was presented by none other than the queen of dancehall herself, Spice, someone who has always showed immense love and support and respect for Vybz Kartel over the years. Now, as expected, the man himself delivered an amazing speech, and may I tell you, say, this one is one to hear because Kartel really and truly speak out him heart.
The winner of the Mobo Impact Award is no other than the king of dancehall, Vybz Kartel.
Hold on. Mobo, how you feeling? That's it. You know, first I got to say, God is the greatest. Because think about this. Got locked up, did 13 years in prison. Meanwhile, I'm doing 13 years in prison, I'm diagnosed with Graves' disease. So I'm fighting to be free. I'm fighting my illness. I'm fighting to keep my family together. This is my son right here, Little Vybz. I'm fighting to keep the fans pleased with good music. And look how God great. Nominated for a Grammy with an album that I did in prison. Got released from prison. Got in. And now I'm here. I walk the red carpet at the Mobos. So that, come on! So you know, that taught me to believe in three things more now than ever. Faith, change, and forgiveness. Big up my manager TJ, big up my parents, big up the whole England crew, big up my fiancé, see them. Kiss me, baby! Well done! Big up the Mobo Awards to give me the award. I big up my son, big up the queen of dancehall, Spice. It's a pleasure to be here. And big up all of the British stars, all of the rapper them, all of the singer, them remember one black music, one black origin, and one black excellence. What is under me nose? I'm out.
Big up yourself. Mobo's Wagwan, how you feeling? We have any Jamaican in the house? And that me a talk about. Big up on yourself. Because you know I'm a proud Jamaican. Now we are here tonight to honor an artist whose influence on music and culture is simply undeniable. A true pioneer of dancehall. He has redefined the entire genre with his fearless lyrics, infectious energy, and groundbreaking sound. From anthems like Clark's Fever, Summertime, to countless collaborations that have shaped the global music landscape. His impact stretches far beyond the shores of Jamaica, and his music has inspired a generation, influencing dancehall, hip-hop, and beyond. Proving to all of us that his legacy is definitely unshakable. To this day, his voice remains one of the most powerful in the industry. I'm gonna ask you, tell me, I tell you that. His influence continues to shape the sound of today and the future. Mobo Awards, take a look.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah.
Who is the new king of dancehall?
This is what true honor looks like. This is how you properly celebrate a legend in the business. Time and time again, Kartel has proven that his impact is unmatched, his influence is immeasurable. Everything when do his contribution to dancehall, you cannot replace that, irreplaceable. Yet for years, them try to overlook the artist thing. But guess what? And these major and important international staging like the Mobo Awards, them get it right. Them acknowledge the greatness of Vybz Kartel, and show the man true respect how it is supposed to be shown. And something that me notice is that this and something that me notice at the Mobo Awards is that this moment is not just about Kartel by himself. This moment is about Jamaican music, Jamaican culture as a whole, taking over and doing it big on the international scale, and dancehall getting the global respect it truly deserves. And Kartel, the face of dancehall right now actually out there doing it. You see me? So we love to see it. And John, know me, I tell you the truth, I can't even explain how happy I am, right now to see everything we are happen with Vybz Kartel. The level of joy is what you feel for your family, your close loved ones. And Kartel isn't even Kartel under my blood, but still but guess what? I still feel the love and the pride and joy if you see the man really out here living his life and doing it for the culture same way. Yeah man, big up Vybz Kartel to the fullest.